Welcome to Canix. Today we talk about how new car startups are building billion-dollar empires. Imagine entering an industry ruled by 100-year-old giants and still daring to build something new. That's exactly what today's automotive startups are doing, and the race has never been more dangerous, more expensive, or more rewarding. The automotive world is experiencing a revolution, not led by old names, but by bold startups stepping into one of the hardest industries on earth. Building a car company is not like launching a mobile app. You need factories, engineers, massive investment, safety testing, supply chains, regulations, battery technology, and customer trust. Yet, despite these challenges, new players are entering the field faster than ever. Why? Because the future of transportation is changing, and whoever controls this future controls billions. These startups are driven by three powerful forces: electric mobility, autonomous driving, and digital-first vehicles. Traditional car companies were slow to adapt, leaving the door open for innovators to sprint ahead. But entering the game is not enough. Survival requires strategy, vision, and relentless execution. Take the story of several modern startups. Some began in tiny warehouses with just a few engineers. Others started as software companies and slowly transformed into vehicle manufacturers. Their goal wasn't just to build a car. It was to build a new experience, a smart machine on wheels. Halfway through this journey, many startups hit what insiders call the valley of death. This is the stage where money burns faster than it comes in. Manufacturing delays, battery issues, design changes, or investor pressure can wipe out even the most promising company. This is the moment where most startups die. If you're enjoying this deep dive, please like, share, and subscribe to stay connected with powerful business stories that inspire growth. Those who survive do something different. They innovate with speed. They listen to customers faster. They partner with battery suppliers, charging networks, and software companies. They build vehicles that match modern lifestyles: energy efficient, digitally connected, and maintenance friendly. And slowly, they begin to disrupt the giants. In some countries, new electric brands have overtaken legendary manufacturers in sales. Their secret? They understand that today's customers demand more than horsepower. They want convenience, technology, autonomy, design, and affordability. Automotive startups are also built differently. Instead of depending on huge corporate structures, they operate like tech companies. Fast decision-making, bold experimentation, direct communication with customers, online-first sales, software-driven upgrades. This is how they stay ahead in a market that moves at lightning speed. But the journey doesn't end with building a car. They must compete globally, maintain quality, fix errors, scale factories, and win customer trust. It's a high-risk, high-reward battlefield where one breakthrough can turn a startup into a billion-dollar brand, and one mistake can destroy the entire company overnight. Still, the race continues. And every new startup brings innovation, competition, and dreams of creating the next automotive giant. The lesson is simple. Dreams that seem impossible often create the biggest revolutions. Automotive startups remind us that even in industries dominated by giants, there is always room for those who dare to think differently. If you had the chance to build the next revolutionary product, would you take the risk or stay safe? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring business stories.